Hi guys, here I'm gonna share a very easy Diwali festive look that you can literally wear with any kind of outfit, be it any color. You can just switch up your lipstick and it's gonna be very beautiful. So without further delay, let's get started. First come first, I'm gonna use my Swiss Beauty highlighting primer. This is the makeup base. You guys already know I love this primer. This is how it looks. This is my second bottle. I have like a few bumps here and there going on. I don't know, it's not acne but like they are painful. Anyways, I'm gonna take this much. Exactly, जब कोई event रहता है या आपको सजना दजना होता है, that's when exactly you will get such acne, but that's okay. Like this is like a part and parcel, ये तो होता रहता है. So for that reason I'm gonna be using a foundation today. Just so that I don't look very dead, I'm gonna use this Kiro lip oil. This is the Hero lip oil. This is the OG variant which had come. Now I think they have like few other shades, but right initially they had only come up with this one. Then I'm gonna use a foundation because I'm not doing that great with my skin. For that, I'm gonna take my favorite Mars foundation. I am in the shade 08. This shade matches to me perfectly and it also oxidizes a bit. You just need a pump, only this much. This one pump covers the entire face because it's full coverage, and this does oxidize a bit, so I don't need a color correction. Then I'm gonna take this brush. This is from Cuffs and Lashes Foundation Deep Angle Foundation Brush. This is in the variant F013. Stipple my product. I don't like this brush, but अभी पैसे दिया है तो मैं use कर रही हूँ. I'm also gonna take it under my eye and also concealer बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा मुझे. I love this foundation, you guys. कितने सालों के बाद I have found a foundation which is like my dream foundation right now. I've used MAC Studio Fix also in the past, but mm, nothing beats this. Moving on to concealer, I'm gonna use two concealers, as you guys already know. The first one I'm gonna use is the Daily Forever 52. I am in the shade 09. Yes, and this is the K Beauty concealer. I am in the shade 175 tan. This foundation is super dewy, so oily skin people, you have to your makeup with a good matte powder, otherwise you're gonna look like a sweaty pig. Then I'm gonna use this concealer is very close to my shade, so I'm just gonna like randomly put it, prep my eyelid and nose pay and here. To blend out my concealer situation, I am going to again take the same foundation brush. I like to keep my concealers underneath my eyes a little bit longer. I keep telling the same thing in every video. By doing that, you get a good coverage. So for blending out my concealer, I'm going to take this Mars concealer brush, F103 concealer brush, and I'm going to blend it under my nail. This is going to be a very easy peasy Diwali look. I think even beginners can do this. This brush is so good, you guys. I mean, can you guys see in real time it blends the product so quickly, and it's like very nice. They have nailed with the bristles. It is so soft. This is once this is done, I'm gonna go and use a liquid blush. For that, I'm gonna take this Etude House Dear Darling Water Tint, and I am in the shade Cherry Air. This is how it looks, and you guys know this is like has quickly become my favorite short tint. It is very long lasting as well. I'm using the same stippling brush, and for that reason it might require a more amount of quantity because foundation brush has some foundation left over and it can like pick up a lot of product, so the pigment might not be seen. If you apply it on bare skin and blend it with fingers, you will literally require like 2-3 dots and you're like good to go. By the way guys, what kind of makeup or outfit you guys like to wear during festive season, especially Diwali? Like, do you guys love wearing nude as always, or you guys to wear like bold chatak? Let me know, because for me Diwali means I have to wear like a lot of colors, bold lipstick. That's my idea of like festive look. I cannot do nude. Now everything is about nude. There are like so many people who do nude during their wedding, during the party, during their festive season. I cannot do that. For me, festive wear means I have to wear like bold lip and chatak color outfit. I personally feel that way. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. Now let's go and set this mess. It is super oily, and for that I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty loose finishing powder, and I am in the shade 02 banana powder. And बहुत कम quantity बचा है, like you guys can see. बहुत ज़्यादा use कर चुकी हूँ. And for that I'm gonna take this powder puff. This is from Zudio. No, randomly set everywhere. For my blush, I am going to take this palette. This is from Swiss Beauty Take Me Anywhere palette. You might have seen in a couple of tutorials I have been using, and this is in the shade Day Off. It is a very beautiful face palette. So this is the color Theory, and it also comes with a highlighter, with a bronzer, and two kind of like blush which has like sheen. Problem with this palette that I faced is इसको देखे ना आपको look नहीं समझता है. So whenever you have a face palette or an eyeshadow palette, you should be able to come up with like many looks. That is what makes an eyeshadow palette cohesive. But when I look into this, I cannot think of like coming out with like a lot of shades, because yeah, this is a clearly you cannot wear this shade with everyone, and this is a burgundy shade. Bacha or kuch hai nahi. So, but this palette is very good. So I'm gonna take this shimmery blush, and it's a good blush. Not guys, I again forgot a primer. No wonder my like pores and everything is seen. So I forgot a primer. Always forget it. But anyways, I'm gonna use this bronzer from Makeup Revolution. You guys know this is what I've been like using since a long time. Like for highlighter, I'm gonna take this Earth Rhythm Pop Set Go highlighter. I showed this highlighter in my recent haul, and this is a cream highlighter, so I'm gonna just like put it. As you guys see, I haven't set this area. I normally never set this area. I leave my cheeks little bare. I kind of like that way. But if you're in an extremely oily skin, I would say please go and set your entire face. I always like to use a cream highlighter, go ahead and set my face with a setting mist. And for that, I'm gonna take this Blue Heaven Prep and Fix setting mist. It has a dewy finish. Then let's fan this out. Is let's move on to eyes. This is from the Mars collection blending brush E101. Just gonna take this bronzer. I normally do this only, you guys. Plus, I'm showing an eye look that's gonna go with every outfit. If you guys are doing a smoky look, an intense smoky look, or anything like you're using a pigment which is like black or blue, something like that, I would suggest please go and highlight your under eyes. Otherwise, it's gonna look very dull. So yeah, I did not highlight because I'm not gonna use an extravaganza color. Let's do glitter first, and then we'll think about the outer corner. So for glitter, I am going to take this shade, this one. I'm gonna like play around with these two colors. We'll see like how this one works. Love. Okay, this is slightly pinkier. I'm also gonna be using a glitter today because it is Diwali. So glitter to guys banta hi hai. This brown to kind of deepen my outer corner. This look you can wear with anything, like be it any color outfit you can wear, carry this look. You can just play around with your lips. Then guys, let's use a glitter, and for that I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. Okay, but this is what the metallic eyeshadow. I think Swiss Beauty was the first one to do metallic eyeshadow, फिर बाकी सारे brands करने लगे, and we kind of like forgot about it. Do you remember how beautiful this was? So I like to apply it itna and like kind of blend it with the help of my finger. Key is go very little and little. looks very beautiful, photographs very beautiful, and it kind of gives a very beautiful sheen as well. And this also dries very nicely, no fallout, no patchiness. I am going to take this Mars palette. This is the Mars Chandigarh palette, and I am going to take this shade from here. This is the darker brown shade. It has hints of rust going on. Brush, I'm going to deposit first with the help of this pencil blending brush, and this is the variant E102. Also gonna slightly take this black, put it right here. I'm also gonna mix these two. I'll take that and take it underneath my lower lash line. I'm gonna take this blending brush again and sort of blend my entire eye look so that there is no patchiness whatsoever. Now I'm gonna do liner, and for that I'm gonna take this Maybelline tattoo liner. This is a very good liner, pitch black, and let's try to do the eyeliner while talking. Because I normally don't do liner and all, but it's a Diwali look. Liner लगाते वक्त मेरा problem पता क्या है guys? My lashes are like normally curled upwards without any color. So when I apply liner, it kind of get transferred to my lashes. I think I did a pretty good job in the liner. Let me do this side and I'll be right back. Okay, I made a little boo-boo. You guys can see, but I'm gonna fix it later after it's dried down. One tip whenever you're doing such smoky, beautiful, heavy duty look, always make sure to tight line your upper waterline. If you want to apply it on your lower waterline, it's your wish. You do you. If you're a kajal person, please go ahead and use a kajal in your waterline. It's gonna look very beautiful, especially during this festive season. But me personally, I'm not someone who applies kajal on the waterline, but I always like to tight line. That gives a fuller look. And by the way, I'm using this Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kajal. You can see it instantly makes a huge difference. You guys can clearly see, like, yeah, my skin is peeking through, but here it's looking very full. So I highlight my inner corner. I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Holographic Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Nebula. This shade works very beautiful for my inner eye uh, highlighting. Is I think this shade will look good on like fair skin tone people. I'm using this Lift and Define 5D Lash Extra Dimension Mascara from Makeup Revolution. Mascara is done. I don't like to apply my mascara in the lower lashes as well because it also like brings out too much darkness underneath, which I don't like. And I like to take a Q-tip and clear out if any mascara has like transferred onto my lower lashes. Then for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty palette, and I'm gonna use this shade and mix in this shade and like fill out my brows. This is pretty simple, and this is a brush, and this is in the variant BRE06. It's a beautiful brush. You can literally mimic hair strokes with this brush. It's that beautiful. Oh my god, eyebrows can make such a difference. Now I'm gonna go ahead and again use a highlighter, and for that I'm gonna take this Kiro Prism Perfect highlighter, and I am in the shade Sandy Rose and Pearl Bronze. Festive season में तो highlighter बनता है. I've also hit pan on this. Like, have to glow. Arch of eyebrows and a little bit on the. Again, let's take a quick shower in the setting spray. To the lips. This is the March of Desire lip liner in the shade Deep Dawn. And guys, it's festive season. I have to do a red lipstick, and this is gonna be the star of the show. This is a fairly new collection in my lipstick. This is the Love Child by Masaba, and I am in the variant Rani. So this is 01 Rani, and it's such a gorgeous blue tone lipstick. It applies like a mousse, and settles down to a completely matte lipstick. So good, and this red color is gonna look beautiful on all the skin tone people. One tip I would like to tell you is like always join this cupid bow like this. It's just gonna make your lips more fuller and poutier. Oh my god, this lipstick is everything. So I think like we are done with the makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, wear some jewelry, put my outfit, and I'll be right back. Guys, this is what I have come up with. I hope you guys like this video and it was useful. You can recreate this look and you can wear this look practically with any outfit. You just can switch up with the lipstick. I am wearing this white kurta, and you can wear literally any bindi of your choice. Like it doesn't have to be any particular color. That's the beauty of wearing a white outfit. You can wear anything, you can play with color, you can wear bangles like the blue, green, pink. It's just gonna look so beautiful. What you can do is you can wear a pink bangles, pink bindi, and a pink lipstick. It's just gonna put your look together. Hope you guys like this video, and if you guys are planning to recreate this look, then make sure to tag me. Also, my next video, I don't know which video is gonna go first, but I'm planning to do 5 lipsticks which are suitable for this festive season and winter in general. And stay tuned for that video as well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.